Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about oil levels in the transmission and rear end on 1100 series Fendt tractors. So we get phone calls quite often about the oil level. In order to be able to check that, you use the sight glass that's down in beside the PTO if you have a PTO, and if you don't, the sight glass is still in that same area. And what you do is you have to follow a pretty specific procedure. You fire the tractor up, you drive it around for 2 or 3 minutes. You want to get that oil to between 30 and 40 degrees Celsius, so kind of just that everything's warm to the touch. Then what you're going to do is park on a level surface, like we have this tractor sitting here, and you're going to shut the tractor off, wait a couple minutes, fire the tractor up, run it for 2 minutes in that stationary position. Once you've run for 2 minutes, you shut it off, you let the tractor sit for 2 minutes, and then you check your oil level. You can't just walk by it in the morning when everything's cold and have a peek. It will always show empty, and then of course you're going to fill it up till it's in the glass, and you're going to be over full, and over full causes a bunch of other issues. So follow that procedure that I outlined, and that should take care of your oil level issues. Any questions, give us a call. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.